Hello guys, this is Harasal Shumo speaking. Once again, let me just welcome you back to my channel. Those of you who have been following me, thank you so much guys for supporting me. And those of you who are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Follow me, keep on following me so that I can keep on adding more videos or strategies on how to trade Crash and Boom. Remember, here we are just basically interested in trading spikes on both Crash and Boom, right? Yeah, the strategy guys, like I did promise on the previous video, is just for sniper entries. It's just for sniper entries, so I use it to confirm if it's the right time to take trades or not. If you are interested on using the strategy, make sure that you watch the previous video that I had made so that you can be able to make more profit from all the strategies. You can use them at the same time, and I bet with you're just gonna make a whole lot of money from these strategies. Make sure that before you watch this one, you watch the previous video. I'll also drop a link for the previous video so that you can get to learn how the previous strategy works, so that you can use it with this one together with this one. So let's start with this video guys. Let's start with this video, or let's start with the strategy. How does the strategy works? So basically the strategy, it has two lines, most important lines, which are the red and the blue ones. Okay, so every time when you open your chart, one thing that you have to consider doing is to zoom out. Every time zoom out so that you can be able to see everything properly, so that you can pick your trades. Okay, so how do we do it? Every time we wait for the market to go below the 20 level if you want to buy, and then if you want to sell, we wait for the market to go above the 80 level. That's when we can place our sell if we are looking at crash. But for boom, we're always going to be waiting it to go oversold, then we buy all the time. All right, then one thing that I want to also focus on to, remember I spoke about the two lines, but the most important one is the blue one. The blue one, if you're on boom, you wait for it all the time to go below 20, below 20. That's when you can take your trades once it's there. The time frames that the strategy works under, it's 1 minute time frame, 1 minute time frame, and 5 minute time frame only. Of course, yes, sometimes it can work under 15 minute time frame and 1 hour time frame, but I want you to focus on it mostly under 5 minute time frame and 1 minute time frame all the time. All right, so let's see how the strategy works. The strategy, every time under 5 minute time frame, once it goes over sold, when you are dealing with boom, you do what? You just place your trades, you just place your buy, then boom, the market will go up. Okay, every time once the market is oversold, what you do, you will pick up your trades, the rightful time to take your trades. Then what happens? The market will go up. Okay, the market will go up. Let's look for other entries. That's how it works, guys. The strategy is so simple. If you want to kill the market, this one is for you. Sniper entries. If you've been struggling with sniper entries, there's a strategy for you. Make sure that you utilize this one every time. Look at this. They got oversold, then you go in. Of course, yes, some of you might have said, okay, fine, now the blue most important line wasn't below 20, but then if you had used technical trading strategies, you would have realized that that was a perfect buy. Okay, you would have realized that now it's a buy. Because of this zone here, it could show that the market was actually, the market here, the market was showing you that it's gonna go up. So on the 5 minute time frame, when the market came, you could have just extended your trend line like this. Then the market did hit it and went up. Okay, yeah, sometimes strategies, guys, you need to combine them with technical trading, so that, I mean, price action. let me say price action. Sorry for using the term technical trading. Use price action, and the price action will guide you. But if you don't know how to use price action, it's still okay. It's still okay. You see, every time you go in here, once the market is oversold, you go in here, then you make profit. You see, once you took it, the market went up. Boom, the market went up. That's how the strategy works all the time, guys, all the time. That's how the strategy is gonna work. I don't want this video to take forever, so let's quickly rush to boom 500. But before we do that, let's take back the previous strategy that I gave to you guys on the previous video and see how the strategy also works. Okay, so every time, remember we spoke about this one, but this one you just use it for confirming your entries. You see the market had to go up. Why? Because the strategy also confirmed that the market was oversold. So this strategy, guys, is one powerful strategy that I use it for swing trading, boom and crash. You see, every time, if this one confirms and this one confirms, it's a strong signal. It's a strong signal. You just place your trades, as many trades as you can, but don't forget, never try to leverage your account, or else the market is always gonna kick you out. You see, even this one here, the market went up after we took it. Now let's quickly rush to crash. Let's pick crash 500. Crash 500. Crash 500. Yeah, crash 500. Just picking it. See, every time once the market gets over the 80 level there, you get to do what? Once that both the lines, the red and the blue one, are above there, you get ready to sell. You see, after you sold, the market went down. It doesn't just give you a spike, but it gives you a series of spikes. The strategy, guys, is not just for one spike. It gives you a series of spikes. You see, even here it was overbought. Then even if you could have just placed your sell here and then hold, you were still gonna go down. You're still gonna go down and make profit. Even here, it was a small one, it was a small profit, but then yeah, they gave you a series of spikes. Every time, guys, if you see this opportunity, make sure you utilize it. Remember, we are under 5-minute time frame, but then even if you could go to 1-minute time frame, you realize that everything that we have marked 1-minute time frame would have gave us the same thing. Okay, under 1-minute time frame, it was already here. We could have maybe took it from here, then we held until it gave us profit that we wanted. Okay, it's only that I could have not drawn the arrows perfectly, but the strategy, guys, it works perfectly well. You see, even this one here, the one that I just pointed, maybe I did not insert my arrows perfectly because I was using a bigger time frame. You see, even here they were overbought. Okay, then we had to sell. Let's go back to 5-minute time frame to continue looking for more entries that we could have executed. You see, this one, we count it in as well. So, guys, I really appreciate that most of you managed to text me. I'll also leave my number on the description below, and the video for the link for the previous video, so that you guys can keep on contacting me when you need help. Watch the previous video so that you can get to learn how to use the strategy. Every time once we get the signal, we take it. You see, keep on following me so that, guys, I can also be able to give you more of help, so that we can all make money. I'm giving everything for free, guys. I'm giving out everything for free. You see, this strategy, guys, it works perfectly well with the previous strategy that I gave to you. Look at this one. Once we entered here, this one also was overbought. Then the market had to go down. There's nothing that I master like crash 500. I'm telling you, ask my students, they will tell you the whole story. Even here, could have took this one as well, and then it would have went down with us and gave us our profit. You see, every time, guys, their strategies, when they both tell you the same thing, make sure you utilize those kind of trades. You see, every time, once they give you the same thing, you take it. You don't waste any other time. You see, here it was. Then the market had to drive down. So guys, I'm also going to be giving out my system for free to only those who have subscribed to my channel. Once I reach 1k subscribers, I'm gonna be creating a Zoom meeting so that I can teach everyone how to use the system, then give it out for everyone who have been commenting, who have been liking, who have been subscribing to my channel. Every video, they've never missed it. I'll compensate you for that, guys. I'm honestly gonna do a favor for you as well, because your support to me means a lot. So guys, this is it. Now the parameter for the strategy, I'm just gonna give you for this one, because the other strategy I gave the parameters on the previous video. So if you need the strategy for the previous one, make sure you watch the previous video. I'm gonna leave the link below, then you get to watch the system or the strategy on how it works. So this is it. This is MACD, fast EMA 12, slow EMA 26, MACD, SMA 9, apply to close. Then that's it. Then you click done. Then you go to moving averages. You add MA5, method exponential close. Yeah, then you press done as well. Then you go to relative strength index. Then period 1. Apply to close. Then the style, you can just add any style that you want and the color that you want. Then levels, you have to make sure that it's 20, 80, 0 and 50. And then the last thing, yeah, that's it. One more last thing, guys. In 2 weeks time, I'm gonna be adding another strategy for swing trading, crash and boom. The strategy, I finished working on it last week. So it's one powerful strategy that I can't wait to share with you. So if you want the strategy again, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out anything that I'm going to be adding very soon. As you can see, these are the results from the strategy. In the morning, I gave out this signal to my students. And then it spiked. It went up. You see? Now, this is a strategy that I'm willing to give to you guys maybe 2 weeks from now. You see, the strategy is very accurate. Every time it goes up, every time we take it, the trades have to give us profit. As you can see, this is the strategy that I've just been giving to you. This is a signal that I gave in the morning to my students. They took it. Look at this. It took a series of spikes. I did pick it, then we took it. Look at this one. The same thing. I gave it out in the morning to my students. Then this is the system that I just finished working on. Look at how crazy this strategy also can be. You see, every time. So guys, this is it. The strategy, even if you can get the parameters for the new strategy that I'm going to be releasing from now, 2 weeks from now, you're not going to be able to use it unless I'm the one who explains everything on how it works. Believe me or not. Yeah, I'm done with this video. Please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for me to keep on adding more videos and strategies that will be able to help you to make more money. Please guys, I was so excited last week when I saw that many people were texting me, people were commenting, asking for help, of which I'm always willing to give out to everyone. So as you can see, even my students, they know that whenever I send signals, it has to rain. There's a signal that I gave in the morning, and it had to give them profit every time. Whenever I send signals, we have to make money from it. Of course, yes, sometimes we lose once in a while, but every time when I add or send signals, we are always sure that we're gonna make money from them. Okay, So that's it guys, that's it that's it that's it. So I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget that I'll be giving out a system for free once I reach 1000 subscribers for free. So see you guys. Bye bye.